If you build in bricks, a section library is the difference between a blank canvas and a real page by lunchtime. Bricks Awesome is one we bought, and this is what it is actually like to use. It comes from Duogeeks. They run parallel libraries for Divi and Breakdance. They publish docs, a Discord, and a public uptime status page. None of that is glamorous, and all of it is what separates a maintained product from an asset dump. The catalog runs to more than 300 products, 200 plus wireframe sections, 140 plus full-page layouts, 50 plus headers, and 30 plus footers, with child themes sold separately or bundled in. The full-page layouts are built around industries: sales coaching, online courses, podcasting, call center, workshops, shipping. You are picking a starting structure that already fits the business, rather than bending a generic template into shape. And there is real range in there. Jewelry, coffee shops, law firms, charities, pet care, app landing pages. 6 pages of layouts deep. That matters when you serve competing businesses in the same market, and none of them can look like the others. Child themes are the other half of the catalog. Handyman, real estate, psychologist, university, e-commerce. Each one a complete starting theme of 15 or more pages. $49 individually or bundled into the Access Pass. But the wireframe library is the real product here. 200 plus individual sections, unstyled and class-based, sorted into categories you can actually browse. And every category has a public live demo. Heroes, testimonials, galleries, portfolios, companies, content, features. You can judge the work properly before you pay anything, which is exactly how a section library should be sold. Because the sections are unstyled by default, they behave like structure rather than decoration. You assemble the page, then apply the client brand once. There's a parallel ACSS library if your team is standardized on Automatic.css. Most template reviews stop at how the designs look. Heading structure gets inherited by every page a client builds, so we parse the live demo markup ourselves. 1H1, 30 H2s, no skipped levels, and 26 of 26 navigation links returned a normal response. Licensing is the part agencies care about most. Every product carries lifetime download access, lifetime updates, client sites, unlimited sites, and a one-time fee. That is the clause that makes this viable for white label work. On price, there are 3 tiers, and that unlimited websites clause sits on all of them. $199 for the year, $249 for lifetime, $299 if you want core framework support as it lands. One purchase covering unlimited client sites is strong at this price. Our honest note is about the shop rather than the product. The homepage and the dedicated pricing page advertise different numbers and different layout counts, and both are live. Treat the pricing page as authoritative and confirm what you are buying at checkout. We are a paying customer, not a partner and not an affiliate. For an agency building several sites a year, this pays for itself quickly. For a single site owner, it does not. The full written review is linked below.